Kreuzee, other sides. Good day everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga. Mayong adlaw, mayong gabi, mayong buntag. Wherever you are in right now in the world, have a nice day. We are live from Basil Beach, Switzerland. Today it has a very wonderful weather because I love rain. I really love rain. This kind of weather is very lovely, and I find tranquility in the rain. Perfect. And it's early spring. Spring season is already here. Very green grasses. Wonderful. This place here is ideal for hikers, nature lovers, and hello, mega shout out to Laishram Sorkandra watching from Impal. Yes, mega shout out to you. Hello to Francisco Zavala. Hola chicas. Laura Miora Russo. Nice. Hello to you. Tain Tasinwin. Hello from Myanmar. Hello to you. Shout out to Che Labis Volando from Philippines. Mega shout out to you. Lilo watching from San Fernando, Laguna, Philippines. Hello to you. Have a nice evening there. I love Sada. Hello to you. Francisco Zavala. Muy lindo ese país. Hello to you. Hello from London, Lacra Miura Rosso. Hello to you. Mega shout out. Today it has a very wonderful rainy day, and it's very peaceful. I really find tranquility in the rain. Hello to Thomas Teschler. Go to Sofingen. This is a nice town. Yes, hello to you, Thomas Teschler. Mega shout out to you. Lilo, hello to you, nice place. Mega shout out to you, Lilo. Francisco Zavala, keep ice is amiga. Hello to you. There's already a lot of flowers blooming here. Hello to Thomas Eichler. Greetings from St. Gallen City. Make a shout out to you. There is a construction house here. We're building houses here. This will be a very beautiful place to live here. We are building houses. Perfect location to live. Wonderful. Alcera Sanchez, hello to you. Make a shout out. It's a very beautiful rainy day. Perfect. Rary Monday, wonderful, from Philippines with love. Hello to you, Rary Monday. Make a shout out. Alcera Sanchez, hello to you. Francisco Zavala. Me gustaría conocer ese país, hello to you. Time doesn't win. Let me know name of the place. It is in Baselbet, Switzerland. My dreaming country, really wonderful, from Kiming Takyo. Hello to you. Al-Hashmi Bani Badr, how to pronounce it? Sorry. Where is this place? It's in Baselbet, Switzerland. Gracias hermoso. Hello to Alcera Sanchez. Hello to Chi Badar. Rare Monday. Thank you so much. Take care. You're welcome, Rare Monday. Inshallah, hello to you. It's amazing. Thomas Eichler, I love Switzerland. Yes, beautiful Switzerland. Francisco Zavala, amiga, no sé mucho English. Hello to you, Francisco Zavala. Alcera Sanchez, quiero estar ele. Hello to you, Alcera Sanchez. It's very exciting place, you know. It's very magical here. In winter it's also very wonderful. It's very white all over, and it's perfect place to unwind, to hike. Al-Hashmi Bani Badr, love this weather. Great. Hello to you. Alcera Sanchez, hello to you. It is raining. Yes, Tasin Win, hello to you. It's raining, and it's very wonderful weather. I love rain. Al Hashmi Bani Badr, great day. Abdul Hamid Abro, hello to you. Nice, yes. Zin Barcelo, hello to you. So beautiful and peaceful place. I love it. Magusta el clima es muy bonito. Francisco Zavala, hello to you. A lot of flowers blooming here. It's a dandelion flowers here, color yellow. It is a dandelion flower. It will turn into color white in a few months or in a few weeks. It will be very lovely. Perfect dandelion. Chenta Fraimani Sukovska, hello to you. Time Tazin Win, when time is there. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Abdul Hamid Abro, Pakistan. It's very beautiful road here. Perfect. It's a road trail. Good night from Empal. Laishram Sorkandra. Hello to you. Good night, Laishram Sorkandra. Thomas Teschler, this is a strong rain. Nirmal Singh, so lovely. Hello to you. Francisco Zavala, amiga, como te alamas? Wahid Khan Kase, where it is in Basel Beach, Switzerland. Isham, Sorkandre. The location is in Basel Beach, Switzerland. Thomas Teichler, you can go in Wasserfallen region. You can pass at Reigelswil village, and from there in Reigelswil village you can do a lot of excursions already, hikings, a lot of hiking paths, beautiful hiking paths. Hello to Chi Badar 3. Mega shout out to you. Hello to Christine Nunez. Hello. Have a nice evening. Mega shout out to you. Wahid Khan Kase. Really beautiful. Yes. Thomas Teichler, thanks. You're welcome. It's a beautiful rainy day. It's very peaceful. Look. Perfect. Maid Tolhen, hello to you. MD Tolhen. Wahid Khan Kase, hello to you. Beautiful view. Enver Sarikaya, hello to you. Have a nice trekking for us. Yes, it's a very beautiful rainy day. It's very relaxing, full of tranquility. Perfect. Andy Tuhen, hello to you. View, that's amazing. There. Yes. If you also love cherry blossoms, this is the perfect place to visit. There's a lot of cherries here. The other cherry trees are already blooming, but the others are not yet. This is a perfect place for tranquility. Midtohen, this is in Basel Beach, Switzerland. Yes, very relaxing, very tranquil. This road will go to the beautiful cherry blossoms, white cherry blossoms. Fabulous. With a lot of dandelion flowers. Hello to Wahid Khan Kase. Kindly pick up the phone. Yes. Hello to Juse Liebig. Schön zu sehen. Diese schöne Ort in der Schweiz. Yeah, hello to you, Juse Liebig. Oh, wonderful. The cherries there are already blooming. Look. There. Exciting. This area here is full of cherries. Perfect. It's full of cherry trees. Hello, Wahid Khan Kase. I am using English, German language, Filipino language, Cebuano language, Bisaya language, different kinds of language. Tagalog language, English language, German language, and Cebuano language. Perfect. Look at this here. It's a lot of cherries. That is full of cherries here. Cherry tree. Cherry tree. It's a white cherry and it's very lovely. They are already blooming. Thomas Tischler, after the walking, drinking a hot tea. Genau. Wow, great to see this wonderful place. Muhammad Yusuf. Look at there. The cherry is really blooming. Color white. It's a very lovely cherry here. That is all cherries there. Color white. Wonderful. It's a lovely, lovely place here. Muhammad Yusuf. It is in Basel Beach, Switzerland. Muhammad Yusuf, hello to you. Look at this. It's already blooming. The cherries are already opening. It's a little bit windy, but it's very lovely. It's a very exciting place to unwind here. There's a lot of vague or road way to roam around. Perfect. Look at this here. It's going to heaven. It's going to heaven, this road here. This looks like going to heaven. Time Tassin Win, teacher there. Yes, thank you, Time Tassin. Shout out to you. These are all dandelions, color yellow. It's about what's time now in your country by Muhammad Yusuf Detto. It's about 5 o'clock, I think, here. I love Switzerland, the place want to visit. If I have a chance, I will. Yes, from time tasin ben. Hello to Time Tasin Ben. Wonderful mountain location. From Tihalsay. Hello to you. Cherries here starting to bloom. J. Hoppe. What part of Switzerland? This in Canton Basel-Land. Can you see with all of these yellow color flowers? They are dandelions, very sweet dandelions. They will turn into color white soon. It's very wonderful flower. It's full of bloom flower. There's a dog there. Doggy. There's a dog. There is a dog, a very cute dog. It's wonderful. Terrell J. Hoppe. My family home is in Switzerland, Canton Bern. Terrell J. Hoppe, mega shout out to you. Bern is very beautiful place as well. Perfect. A lot of mountains and snow-capped mountains and Alps. Marvelous area. Wonderful. There is a dog there. Doggy. Walking on the rain. The dog is walking Walking also with the rain. Perfect. Hello, even there, Sarikaya. Hello, mega shout out to you. Sorry, I am here again. Welcome and mega shout out to you. Hussein Rana, very happy. Hello to you, Hussein Rana. Little dog, no panic. Yes, it's a very cute dog. Thomas Teschler. Here in Switzerland is very unique. So you can see benches in every corner. Very relaxing. You can bring your books and read it here. Sit on this bench here. Perfect. And thank you everybody for watching, and see you for our next video. Have a nice day everyone, and the other parts of the world it's already evening there. Have a nice sleep. Have a nice evening in Asia. Here in Switzerland it's afternoon time, so have a nice afternoon, and in the other parts of the world have a nice day. Thank you for watching everybody. Hello guys, thank you for watching, and see you for our next video. Have a nice day. Choose everybody. Goodbye. See you for our next video. Thanks.